Alrighty guys, today we're going to be putting together the Ariens 18S snow-thro. I don't know why I have these bolts in my hand. I don't need them right now. So, coming out of the box, now it doesn't want to move. It's going to be just folded up. Push your bolt in there to where it fits into the hole that it's supposed to be into. Oopsie. And make sure that both sides are, they can wrap around the bar. So just make sure that both sides are angled the right way to where they wrap around the bar. And get that nice and tight. Right from there, peel your trash off. Go away. And this was an open box, so okay. Take the pull cord, wrap it around through the loop on this. That way she stays there. Open box, so I gotta check to make sure everything's there. I don't know if the box was open because it was damaged or it was returned. It doesn't look like it was returned, so I'm guessing more damage, but things can fall out. And from there, you're going to move to the front. It has a nice little arrow on it, which is going to point to the front. Two knobs in the back here that she slides over. Now, is this one that have to go on first? Yes, this is one that this has to go on first. Go ahead and line this up. That way the holes all line up right. And then go ahead and set her down. Actually, we're going to set the bottom down first. And then we're going to line that back up. Set that down. Now they did give you a bolt, Torx bit. It'll go with these bolts. Put the first one in the back. And the other two, a little more tricky because they go right here on the side. One's on the other side. There's an associate out here. I figured if I talked, she'd probably ask me what. So I didn't say anything. Just make sure you get them in there. It's down about 2 inches. So you gotta get a long bit to get down in there. But congratulations, you put together your Ariens 18S snow. Good job. Don't forget to add the oil. I don't add the oil because customers put these in their cars, which means they tow them and they put them sideways and they all kinds of crap. Yeah, that's not good.